In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable Claude memory capabilities. By disabling Claude's memory capability, you will prevent Claude from using your charts and projects to create memory. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to do this, you need to go ahead and log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, head over to your profile icon down below and choose settings. Now from settings, head to capabilities here. And as you can see currently, memory capability is turned on. With this turned on, it means that Claude is using context from my charts and even projects to control memory. So by toggling off this feature, this will erase all the data stored in Claude memory from your account. So here you can either pause memory or even reset memory. By resetting memory, this will permanently delete all memories, including project memories, and this action can't be done. However, if you just pause it, then Claude will keep its existing memory but won't use memory or make new memories. So if you want to wipe all the memory, go ahead and tap on reset memory and then confirm this choice by typing on reset memory. And from now, your Claude account will never create memory from your previous charts. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.